that! Mavic 2 Zoom is trying to lift up.
Okay, then we'll go.
Warning: the following tests were conducted for recreation purposes only with extreme caution. Nobody or no property was damaged. Permission was taken for conducting the experiments. Do not try this at home.
3, 2, 1. This is weird. It's going up by itself. I'm not even controlling. Okay. Try to bring it down.
Bring it this side. Slowly, slowly. Okay, lift. Whoa, look at that! Mavic 2 Zoom is trying to lift up a water bottle. Is this the future? Can we do delivery packages with the Mavic 2 Zoom? Got delivered? Oh yeah, package got delivered. Ready for another package. So when all of you guys were saying over the internet that Mavic 2, why should I buy? Come on, watch this. Watch this. It's lifting up with the water. How about that? Can your drone do that? Hell nah. Nah. Your drone cannot even do about that. So don't even think about this. So don't even attempt this. Because Mavic 2 Zoom can actually lift up a water bottle by itself. Moment of truth. Let's see what it does. Oh, didn't make it. Let's do this again. Well, he fought me. That's what he did with the second balloon. He didn't want to didn't do anything. So, Mavic 2 Zoom, you're a piece.
So, I fly in sport mode.
Guys,
Wait a second. There is no sport mode and there's no active track in sport mode, and it will not go through this thing. So I'll have to get it in sport mode
and then put it in normal mode.
No, the tripod mode for all the senses,
yeah, for
right?
the tripod mode.
Here. Alright.
Can a Mavic just go up and will come down? So the whole thing is that can a Mavic 2 Zoom go to an elevator and climb up the freaking elevator? Whose idea was it? Don't even question, it was both of us, our freaking ideas.
This is for science.
This is for, I don't know how much is it for science. It's going to be an interesting video. We're going to fly this thing in the elevator and we're going to bring this down, Anton. I don't know how we're going to do this, what's going to happen to the test, but let's see. Take the lights off.
Sounds good.
that's how you saw, guys. We did a test. Remember this, in our channels we only bring out honest opinions and good quality videos that you can find only in Tech 5 and Opinions Matter. So do like and comment to the video, and do subscribe to our channel. Link and description will be below. And adios, guys. Take care.